Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in the Monopoly Go and get unlimited dice rolls. So let me just open up the game and show you guys what's going on in my account. So let me just go ahead and go over to the shop here. And as you can see, guys, look at my money and my dice rolls. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So let's get right into the video. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So yes, this is super cool, guys, and it is totally working. As you can see, guys, I can go ahead and win easy, bro. I got so much, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yes, it's super cool, guys. So what you need to do is go to this website, ogrolls.cc. So let me just show you guys the site right here. So it's called ogrolls.cc. So once you're on this website, guys, you can go ahead and select how much money and dice rolls you want to add to your account. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So you can see recent activity, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to select how much I want and then the dice rolls. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put in my username and select my platform. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right. And now I just need to put in my platform, and I'm going to go ahead and press proceed. And now it's going to ask me to confirm. I'm going to go ahead and press generate. I'm just going to wait for it to load. So if you got a decent internet, guys, this shouldn't take too long. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and load here, as you guys can see. Now, before we can actually do this, we have to do a verification, which is really simple. All we got to do is download some apps, complete the instructions. So they're from the App Store. They're totally free. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. So we'll just wait for this to load. So we just got to download some of these apps here. As you guys can see, it says please complete 2 of the offers. So I'm just going to download some of these apps. It take me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to bring me over to the App Store here, as you guys can see. All right, so now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see if they're done. So the Travel Town is almost done, and the TikTok is done. So I'm going to go watch this TikTok, and this is the same deal. I'm just going to run it, just do some basic interactions, touching around. I mean, this is super cool. So I'm just going to do it right here. All right. So I'm just running this right here, so you guys can see. All right. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. So I'm just doing this right here, so you guys can see. All right. So I'm just doing this right here. All right. Just pressing around. All right. Pretty simple stuff. Okay. So I'm just going to do this right here, just like scrolling around, stuff like that. All right. So I'm just running this right here. So we're pretty much done with this app. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and do the game, and we'll see if we're rich. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more here, so you guys can see. All right. Just like pressing around with it. Pretty simple. All right. So let's go ahead and open up the game and see what happened. Are we rich or poor? Who knows? Let's go ahead and wait for it to load here and see what happened. All right. And they're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go and try stuff for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So this video works. You guys be sure to go and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Get the word out with this method, and peace out.